Hi, everybody. Happy Thursday. I'm back with a brand new book to share with you, featuring our favorite goblin, Gilbert. He's back in a brand new adventure, Elves Are the Worst. It's written by Alex Willan, and it's published by Simon & Schuster. And we want to thank them for allowing us to share this book with you today. So, are you ready to find out why elves are the worst? Let's get started. Okay, Miss Kitty, you ready to find out? See the end pages? Doesn't that look festive? Great. Elves are the worst. You know, goblins are an important part of many celebrations throughout the year, like Pigeon Plucking Day, the Great Sock Slug Race, and of course, Taco Tuesdays. But there's one group of magical creatures that hogs all the holiday spotlight. Elves. Now, I know what you're going to say. Elves are so hardworking and so perfect. Ho-ho-ho-hogwash. Goblins rule. We goblins are just as hardworking as any elf. Do you think so? Okay. What do you think? Do you think so? Why, just today, I watered all my plants, caught up on some knitting, and made another attempt at perfecting my brambleberry pie recipe. And I still had time to develop a new spell that turns candy canes into kitty canes. Don't tell anyone, but the magic word is ooble-kadooble. I don't think that worked. You're still here. Meanwhile, elves spend all of their time hanging out inside trees, baking cookies, or pouring bowl after bowl of the world's loudest cereal, or lounging around all day on various shelves. Goblins can sit on shelves. Okay, in my defense, that shelf was not structurally sound. Can you name all those elves? Do you have an elf on the shelf in your house? Elves and goblins. Okay, so what does it say here? It says, elves. Who puts bells on hats? See, they both have similar hats, and they both have pointy ears, and noses are overrated. And what's with curly shoes? Do they have curly toes? They both have eyes, and they both have colorful smocks, and striped leggings are so last year. And look, this goblin has stylish accent colors. What do you think? And don't even get me started on the elves at Santa's workshop. First of all, I think it's pretty clear that they copied my style. So what if they are always having epic slumber parties? Chicken and I have slumber parties, and while Chicken might get a little too competitive at pillow fighting, we do look awfully cool in our matching PJs. What do you think? Who wore it better? I mean, how hard is it to be one of Santa's elves? If you think that a bunch of elves are so perfect, just wait till you see what one amazing goblin can do. Welcome to the North Pole. Step 1, look after a few flying deer. Step 2, wrap a few boxes. How's that going? Okay, that could have gone better, but I think I'll more than prove myself in the third and most important step, making the perfect toy. Do you think he can make the perfect toy? See, it's as easy as could. Wait a minute. My hammer, my collar. It's not as easy as he thought, is it? Ooble-kadooble! I'm going down. Okay, so maybe an elf's job is harder than it looks. Do you see all the candy kitties? You're still not a candy kitty, are you? Elves believe in the power of toys. Teamwork optimizes your success. And it turns out they aren't perfect. They are just really good at working together as a team. See that? Now that's more like it. We even teamed up together to work on my brambleberry pie recipe, which in the end turned out to be, well, it definitely looks better, don't you think? It turned out to be perfect for sharing. Who cares if I wasn't great at the whole toy making thing? I don't like toys that much anyway. On second thought, look what he got. It says, for our honorary elf, keep up the hard work. Merry Christmas from the elves. P.S. We love, it says, we love the kitty canes. Do you see who's there in the background? Looks like Santa, doesn't it? The end. So, what did you think about this story? Which one of these is your favorite? Let me know on our Instagram page. I will be back next week with some brand new books to share. And I've got a secret. I've got a brand new Bruce book. So, everybody have a great weekend, and I'll see you back here soon. Bye for now.